Welcome everyone, we are from Caroline Chisholm Catholic College.
And we are the Eco Committee. I'm Jenny.
I'm Luann.
I'm Christine.
I'm Jessica.
I'm Kathy.
I'm Jade.
And not with us today is Ashita and others.
We hope you enjoy our presentation today.
Acknowledgement of country. Like the manna gum that is deeply rooted in this earth, the Wurundjeri people are deeply rooted in the spirit of this land. Like the witchetty grub that is protected, nurtured, and sustained by the branches and the leaves of the gum, the Wurundjeri people's culture and language is held, nurtured, and sustained in the rocks, soil, trees, waters, air, creatures, sky, dreaming, and people. We acknowledge that we gather, share, tell stories, learn, and grow on the sacred land of the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation, and that their language, the Woiwurrung language and dreaming, along with their elders, past, present, and emerging, hold these things sacred. We acknowledge the Wurundjeri Ngurrung Ita, Murundidi, and thank him and his people for caring for these lands. We respect the culture and people of the Wurundjeri, across all the land where the manna gum roots reach.
In 2018, Caroline Chisholm Catholic College own Sustainability Action Group was formed, later known as SAG, on many occasions. It started with only 3 members, however, over time grew to what it is today. As a team, we played a role in changing parts of our school to make it more sustainable for both students and teachers. Some of the things we have achieved include incorporating the waste stream system and changing the lights in our school to LED lights. By doing this, we have also gained more student interest for the Sustainability Action Group. As of 2020, the SAG team have planned various initiatives and attended multiple conferences to increase the level of sustainability in our school. We strongly believe that sustainability is a collaborative and teamwork issue, something that we cannot achieve alone. That's why, in the past few months, the Sustainability Action Group has had the pleasure of working with many outside organizations to increase our understanding and knowledge of this ongoing problem.
On the 10th of October, our sustainability team was invited to an international conference called Eco Schools Conference, which allowed for students from across the world to share various knowledge, strategies, and experiences regarding their best practices on biodiversity. This was an international joint session with 7 other participating schools: SMK Convent Palo Tigres, Zhenghua Secondary School, SJKC Union, American School of Doha, SJKC Yokyua, and Global Indian International Singapore.
Later, on Saturday the 17th of October, they met up once again with the Malaysian school SMK Convent Pulau Tigres. In this ice-breaking session, the team were able to get to know their twinning school, talking to one another over a Zoom call about their roles and responsibilities in their sustainability group, as well as their hobbies and mottos in life. Afterwards, many of the girls bonded over similar interests and hobbies, forming quick friendships. The ice-breaking session was thoroughly enjoyable, and each person was able to form bonds of friendship from across the world, despite the distance, over a common passion in sustainability.
Precious Plastic Monash. The team has also collaborated with Precious Plastic Monash, an organisation which provided informative and engaging workshops over Zoom. The Precious Plastic Recycling Workshop was held on the 18th of September, and we learnt about how Precious Plastic Monash recycles plastic into new products, and played fun games which tested our knowledge of at-home recycling. Recently, on the 15th of October, we delved into the world of plastic pollution and explored why it's such a big issue and ways in which we can fix it. The interactive presentation explained how plastic can escape the waste stream and touched on interesting topics such as microplastics and bioaccumulation.
On the 16th of September, members of our SAG team were invited to attend the Melbourne Girls College Climate Change Conference. Together with many other schools and influential presenters, we were able to learn about what contributes to climate change, how climate change is a social justice issue that impacts our communities, and what we can do to tackle this ongoing concern. There were a variety of interactive presentations, talks by professionals, a Kahoot quiz, as well as a breakout session where we had the opportunity to talk with other students about sustainability.
From the 2nd of November to the 6th of November, we held a Sustainability Week where we shared all our knowledge that we learned to other students in our school and gave them a chance to learn more about sustainability through various activities and workshops. Students were able to participate in activities such as installing man-made habitats, painting nest boxes, and installing worm farms while learning about the significance within these tasks. Sustainability at our school is the first step to making a difference, and we endeavored to instill this throughout the community.
Thank you for listening to our presentation today. We hope it inspired you, and make sure to check out our KTK profile and workshop activities.